How to change your name on Facebook. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to change your name on Facebook. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so straight into it. So first, of course, open up the Facebook app on your mobile device. Then tap on the three lines in the top right hand corner of the screen. Once you're here, click on the gear icon in the top right hand corner. This takes you to settings and privacy. Then the first option is personal and account information. So tap on that one. So next, tap on where it says name and your current name. And here you can update your name. And as it says, please note, if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. Don't add any unusual capitalization, punctuation, characters or random words. So make sure that when you write your name, it is the name that you want to update it to, because you won't be able to change it again for 60 days if you do. Once you change your name, tap on review change, and here it's giving me a preview of my new name, and you can choose how your name will appear on your profile. So it's giving me the option of first name first, last name last, or it's giving me the option of last name last and first name first. Just choose which one you want, enter in your Facebook password, then tap on save changes and your name will then be updated. And that's what it takes to change your name on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.